welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the FAB FIT FUN box for fall, and I pay for this box quarterly. You can pay for it yearly, but it is full of everything from home stuff, health stuff, beauty, hair care, skincare, kind of everything in between. You do get to customize it a little bit, which is great, something I love. This is where I get a great deal on the dry shampoo that I love. I'm able to ship it for like $10 where it's normally $28, so I always pick up one of those, but get a lot of great deals kind of within the website of FAB FIT FUN all year round, so you can get a lot of great discounts. It's a great place to go shop for maybe a gift or something like that. So I'm definitely interested if anybody else, I don't really know that many people that do FAB FIT FUN or even do subscription boxes much anymore, but it's a great place I think to try out smaller brands and more maybe high-end or premium brands for a discount essentially. So there's like a Murad product in here, there's a Glow Recipe product in here I believe, and some higher end like hair care and skincare. So this was $54 I think, and like there's no way I could have gotten that on a trip to Sephora, you know? Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you take off. Let's get into it. So it says pumpkin spice and everything nice. It is not quite pumpkin spice season here in Georgia. It's still a little hot. Thought it was going to be a little chillier today. It felt nice this morning. It soon got very, very hot, and I came back from being out today and I was a little sweaty. I literally had to blow dry my hair. Alright, so we do have always get a HelloFresh. Do you guys do HelloFresh? Do you love it? I used to do it when it was first very kind of coming out, very popular. 18 free meals plus free shipping, I'm gonna guess for new customers. Yeah, so if you haven't tried HelloFresh, this would definitely be a good thing to have in your box. So you are able to customize this box a bit. I was able to customize 4 products. If you upgrade to the annual package, you do get to upgrade all, I believe it's 6 items or 8 items that you can pretty much upgrade. You can customize your own box, which is really nice. You also get like, for the annual membership, you get like earlier shipping, you get earlier customization. So by the time I get to customization, sometimes they are like the ones that I would really want are sold out, but usually there's always something that I would find. And then plus I add on my dry shampoo, so that's like an added bonus for when it ships. So they threw in some Ricola throat balm here. So it says caramel flavor, soothes and protects. These will possibly come in handy in the kind of fall-ish months if I catch a little bit of a cough. So this is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. So it's a moisturizer. That's very nice. I love Murad products. Higher end products. Again, full size. Beautiful. Perfect. Clean. Right on the vanity. Nice. I'm excited about this. I love a good, nice, thick moisturizer. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's a nice product to get in here for sure. Murad is pricey. I was looking up at some of the other things that they have on the site that you can kind of pick up for sale. I would say a lot of these products are anywhere from 40 to like over 60% off. So this is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum, Deep Hydration and Glow, Hyaluronic Acid, and Vegan Collagen. So that's also a very expensive product and comes in this cute little bottle. Glow Recipe always smells so good, the watermelon especially. So super excited about that. This is always nice to have serums and skincare. The Verb Ghost Prep Heat Protectant Weightless Moisture and Heat Protection plus Frizz Control. Looks like it's going to be a cream. I currently use the Verb shampoo and conditioner. Love it, love it. So I'm pretty pumped about this. So here is this is my go-to dry shampoo, Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. This is usually retailed like $28. I got it for $10.60 for this box. So that's a win for me. I'm always picking it up in a mini version or this version just because I use it. I wash my hair maybe 3 to 4 times a week. So I'm using dry shampoo constantly just because I have kind of oily hair anyway. And this is just, I've tried so many different ones. I've tried to find cheaper dry shampoos. I can't. I can't. Well, not either ones that like leave a white cast, because I do have darker roots and darker hair underneath here, but I can't find anything that doesn't leave a white cast and that actually absorbs the oil in a way that like gives it this like a nice clean look. Like it's still kind of, it's gritty enough, it's not too gritty, you know, and it actually absorbs the oil and looks clean on my hair. So even if the hair is going up, we're going to still do dry shampoo a lot of the time, but I love this and I love being able to pick it up for a cheaper price. So at least 4 of these a year are picked up at a discount, which is great. I think I also chose this in my customizations, but this is the Vegamor Grow Dry Shampoo. So I wanted to also, like I said, give dry shampoos a chance. And so I wanted to give this a chance. I've heard really great things about this brand. They're all over my social media. So instead of forking over the full price for this, I went for it in the box. So I'm really pumped. Do you use this? Have you used Vegamor brand? Like, I've heard it's great for hair growth. I just have not picked anything up from it yet. So I was very excited to see it as a, so it quickly cleans and absorbs excess dirt, oil, and sweat for exceptional lift and volume while micro-encapsulated phytoactives help support thicker, fuller, longer looking strands for people with thinning hair. Free of GMOs, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, silicones, mineral oils, and gluten. Shake well. So I'm guessing there's a little bit of a white cast if you have to shake it, but we're going to try it out. Actually, I might try it right now. Let me finish the box and we'll try this one out. Oh, I might pass this along, but this is a cacao coffee scrub from Frank Body. I've had these before in boxes. They are so messy. They are so messy in the shower. Because it's a coffee scrub. It's brown. It's dark brown things all over your shower. So messy. I think it's great. If I had like a beautiful luxurious bathtub, I might use it, you know, soaking in the tub or something like that. But I think coffee scrubs are great. Caffeine is great for your skin and a great exfoliator, but it's a super freaking mess. So literally on the back says, get naked, get in the shower, leave on for 3 minutes. Like, you can't leave something on for 3 minutes on your entire body in the where are you going to stand? I get it, but it still doesn't make sense. Robusta coffee buffs away dry, flaky skin. Cacao enhances hydration. Vitamin E helps diminish the look of scars and skin imperfections. Yeah, I get it, but I don't get it. Alright, so the last thing in this box is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and impurities safe for sensitive skin. That's a full-size product, you guys. That is huge. That is a decent-sized face cleanser. So, but yeah, very cool to get this product. I love First Aid Beauty. Don't see a lot of it, so I'm really excited to get this. I tried this dry shampoo. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, ooh, it smells nice. I just sprayed it in here to like break that little plastic piece. It might be this light. Yeah, it's a little white. But when you have blonde hair, like, that's okay, obviously, but if you're brunette. It smells really, really good. We're going to use her. I actually just ran out of dry shampoo yesterday. So this was perfect. I think that's pretty good. Honestly, I need to color my hair. Thank you for noticing. I've made an appointment. With my friend Christine. So Christine, if you're watching this, looking forward to seeing you. Probably try out this one for a little while first, and then go to this guy, because I want to see how this does, and I would love to throw this in a September favorites, and tell you all the good things that I love about it. So, the first thing is the smell. It smells like a lemon. A florally lemon, like a lemon in a cocktail. Lemon cocktail. That's what it should be named. Alright, I'm going to quickly add up these things in their real life cost and then compare that to the cost of the box. Oh. This is $83. Oh my God. So the total is $228. I paid just over $50 for this box. You know, sometimes I think about like, man, I should unsubscribe. That's an unnecessary $50 that I spend every quarter. But when the box is $230, that's crazy. That's crazy. So we're gonna keep up with it. Consider going and signing up yourself for it, because you can still get the fall box right now, and you can probably customize your box, and you can not just get skincare and hair care like I did. I just don't need home stuff right now. There's home stuff, there's glasses, like I could pick up like wine glasses, like the really pretty like colored wine glasses that are super in right now. So there's a lot of options that's not just hair care, skincare, and makeup. I usually don't go for the makeup just because like I'd rather get the skincare and hair care, because that's where I don't splurge typically. I don't splurge on skincare. I'm usually pretty tight about it. So this is where I find like those higher end products that maybe I never would have tried before, you know. Again, like I said, if you're new here, please subscribe. My name is Megan, and I put out videos very infrequently, but I love doing them, and I love talking about products that I think you're gonna love. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're happy, I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.